Hey guys, how's it going? This is Andrew here with another Christmas unboxing, and I got here in front of me a table saw, 10-inch table saw with a steel stand from Ryobi. It's the 15 amp model, and this was a gift, part of my Christmas gift from my beautiful, sexy, and wonderful fiancee, Miss Elle. So thank you, Miss Elle, for this awesome Christmas present, which I'm gonna unbox here with the trusty unboxing machete. So, let's go. Now, this table saw weighs about 50 pounds in the box here. So, let me whack this. Oh, it's a little tough. A little angle here. Let's try it again. There we go. Do the same thing with the other side. Alright. That one was way easier. Okay. I don't know why that was. Let's see. Open up this top part here. Easy. Yeah, like I was saying, this saw in the box weighs about 50 pounds. There's a little bit of a wrestling match to get it into the unboxing studio room here, but I made it. All right. Looks like on top we've got some styrofoam. Needs to come out. Okay, some cautionary stickers on here. I'll just leave that on there for now. Okay. The unit is probably not going to lift out of the box. I'm going to have to do the flip it over trick here. Get some of the stuff here off of the table. Alright. So, let's go like this. We're going to end up with an upside down table saw. Now the cool thing about this saw is that it comes with a metal stand. So I've used table saws in the past on work sites. On the work site where we just had to squat down on the ground and use the saw on the ground. But like I said, what I like about this one is that it comes with a stand. Probably requires some assembly, and I guess that's what these parts here are. The actual stand that the table saw goes on. Here's the anti-kickback or back out claw, sharp claw to keep the workpiece against the saw blade. Got our instruction booklet, and the model for this saw is Ryobi RTS10. So, more styrofoam. That. There's another box of parts here. So here we're looking at the saw from the bottom. And you can see there's the circular saw blade right here, the motor housing right here. It's got some styrofoam packed next to the motor. I'm going to have to check the instructions and see how to remove that. Let me flip the table saw over so you guys can see the front. There's the saw. Nice. So let's look and see what's in this little box right here. And where's my machete? There it is. All right. So it looks like in here we've got some miter gauges, blade guard, I think rip fence, is that what this is? Some nuts and bolts, a couple of wrenches for probably removing the blade, changing the blade out. And it does come with a 10-inch circular blade. I think it's probably some kind of all-purpose blade. Got some more nuts and bolts here. Some plastic parts, probably something to do with the metal stand. Oh, and a workpiece handling device, which is pretty handy to have. If it didn't come with this, I would probably have just used whatever spare pieces of wood I had laying around, but this is a nice little touch to push the wood through the saw. Alright, that's it on this box. Shut that. So that's basically it, guys. That is the Ryobi 10-inch table saw with metal stand unboxing. And I am going to go and assemble this in the garage and do some woodworking projects. Alright, you guys. Thanks for watching my videos. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I appreciate it a lot. And go check out my channel and some of the other videos. There's some mildly interesting stuff out there. Hopefully you'll be entertained somewhat. But thanks for watching my videos, and subscribe if you haven't. Take it easy.